Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And today I want to talk about one of the biggest unseen impacts of some of the outdated parts of the manufacturing industry. So picture this. An employee's getting demoralized because they find they're constantly building faulty products due to quite easily avoidable manual errors. And that would be frustrating, right? So let's dive into some of the major inefficiencies that can be holding back the manufacturing industry. And these inefficiencies have given manufacturing an outdated image, and I think as a result, fewer young people are choosing manufacturing for their career path. Because for every high-tech, robot-driven like Toyota or Airbus, there are still thousands of manufacturers out there who are still stuck with unreliable manufacturing processes controlled around paper. And this leads to hundreds of wasted hours every month on unnecessary work. I've been working with manufacturers for over 12 years now, and I've seen 4 key pain points that I think still need resolving. Number 1 is quality, because when a company's product quality is inconsistent, it risks them losing customers and makes it more difficult to win new business. And I've worked with several companies who used to get hit with thousands of pounds in penalty charges from OEMs because they couldn't control the quality of the products that they were shipping to some of their key clients. Number 2 is traceability, because tracing how products are manufactured is absolutely essential for compliance. And the growing manufacturers just can't keep up with this on paper. We've seen it happen. One international aerospace company lost an order worth over £35 million because their competitors had a manufacturing execution system that ensured automated product traceability, and they didn't. They were relying on spreadsheets and paper. And number 3 is productivity, because manufacturing companies compete in a global market and they're constantly under pressure to lower costs and pass on those savings to their customers. So ensuring high productivity is a must to maintain healthy product margins. And then number 4 is data visibility, because to fix problems and to ship on time, real-time visibility of data and of products is crucial. I know of one biotech company who had 6 full-time managers just to manually track production. Like, just imagine if they could use that time for more value-adding tasks instead. So what's our solution? Well, we've developed a manufacturing execution system called Tascus that liberates those in manufacturing from unnecessary data collection, and it ensures that products are built right first time. And Tascus traces every step of the manufacturing process. It monitors productivity and it provides real-time visibility right across the business. Tascus automatically collects thousands of data points, which can then be used to track key business KPIs and quickly diagnose problems in the manufacturing process. And companies who are still relying on paper and spreadsheets are slipping further behind their competitors. They struggle to win new business when the quality drops and costs rise. But with Tascus, our clients have won new business worth millions annually and gaining clients that they wouldn't have without our software. And by now, Tascus has been used for thousands of hours in factories by our clients in automotive, in pharmaceutical, and in aerospace. And they've told us that they couldn't have grown their businesses to where they are now without Tascus. They need literally an army of admin staff to manage the paperwork that comes with increased product volume. They'd be less competitive and they wouldn't have kept and won their loyal clients. And that's because we envisage a manufacturing industry that's automated, efficient, and attractive for young people to join for decades to come. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content that will fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.